Alright, well, I know I said gearbox. Sorry to let you down. Today, rear shocks. They finally came in. I got these little ones. They're supposed to be 750-pound springs. I don't know, but whatever. I gotta get them mounted though. So, let's see. I'll probably bump this back end up a little bit. These only have an inch of travel. So when I mount them a little bit like this, they'll have a little over an inch. So we'll see. We'll bump it up a little bit so we can set it a little more vertical. The back will be a little higher. And then we'll see how strong they are, I think. Oh, yeah. We don't have a significant amount of this anymore, do we? And now I'll need 4 of these random hunks of metal. Alright, so I have 8mm bolts. Fit these 8mm bushings. I got these, I got some 8mm washers and some nuts. Let's see what happens when I put them together. Alright, so as you'll notice, I did refine this shape a little so they could lean over a little further. Obviously I don't never have them that far, but we'll see how I need to get them to fit. I want it to sit just below the top. I don't want it on the top. If I do this and then lift it a little bit, just a little bit, we'll have plenty of room. So let's put it right there. Then we get my welder and tack it into place, and we'll make the other one match. Alright, now it should be cooled. Let's get these shocks mounted back up. That way we can start thinking about the top mounts. So we'll probably kick them a little bit like this. That way they get a little progressive and a little extra travel, but nothing, well, screw it. Let's go a little more, huh? If we do this, there'll be quite a bit off the straight up and down. That ought to be nice. We'll give it a shot, huh? Right about like that. And they're not gonna stay, so we'll figure that out again here in a minute. Man, how am I gonna do that? I suppose I could probably, let's see. I could go 2 brackets and they pop in between the 2 brackets, or in between the 2 tubes on some little flat pieces to kind of bridge it. So I fish mount one here, got a second one here. Let's see if we can get it in at all. All right. All right, so now those are welded in. Again, I couldn't get all the way around, so I did them from the tops, and they're in there. Now I need to make the brackets that'll hold these, that these will bolt to. Well, I know it's no more than 1.5 inches. Let's see, will these work? Oh yeah, they will. Oh yeah. Hole's probably too big already. Yeah. All right, I got those brackets trimmed up and fit in there. Sandwich it, saddle in those tubes real nice, so that way the bracket itself will keep the bracket from being able to come up. And now I'm just gonna weld them so they stay where they are. Yeah. Now, while they're cooling, they're a little high, so they'll hit the seat, so I gotta grind them down a little bit. All right, let's see if it's cooled enough to get some bolts in. Yep. All right. Let's see here. All right. Now let's pull some bricks and blocks out. All right. Last pair. Oh, yes. So now she stands on her own. Oh, those are stiff as heck. Whew. I guess I probably should have leaned them a little more, but they'll work. Oh, let's put the seat back on there and sit on it. Oh. Cool. Look at that. But it stands on its own now. It is stiff though. Whew. I guess it'll be good for tractor stuff because I was thinking of not even putting suspension because it is a tractor. I guess we'll see how it rides and rolls when it's all done. That might be good. It might take off some really hard impact but still keep it like stiff most of the time. Cool. Alright, well that's it for today. See you next time. Buff it up, 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 buff